Hi guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F56 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first open your phone dialer, then go to contacts if you're not in this panel, pick the contact that you want to personalize, mark info and select edit. Here tap on edit right next to profile picture and you can either open your camera and grab a photo, you can choose something from your gallery or create a Galaxy avatar, however you prefer. I'll go with something from my gallery, for example this one, customize it however you like, tap on done, and then just click on save to apply it, save one more time, and that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.